started talking like I knew them.
Oh no.
I said, "Hi, I miss you so much."
Hello everyone. Welcome to Funny Moments on the podcast with Sarah. This is the podcast where we share funny situations from everyday life. It makes you laugh and at the same time you learn English. Let's begin the episode, but don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment to support me. Parts of the episode. Dialogue in English. Important words to memorize. Let's go. Hello, Ziad. What story will you tell us about today?
I'm fine, and you, Sarah?
I'm fine. Today's topic is phone calls.
Oh no, I already feel embarrassed.
What happened?
I called someone, but it was the wrong number.
That happens sometimes.
But I started talking like I knew them.
Oh no.
I said, "Hi, I miss you so much."
And what did they say?
Who are you?
Ha ha ha, that's bad.
I said, "Why are you acting strange?"
Oh, my God.
Then he said, "You called the wrong number."
Ha ha ha, I would hang up immediately.
I said sorry and turned off my phone.
A very funny situation, Ziad. See you next episode.
Thank you, Sarah.
And that concludes our discussion, my friends. Let's begin part 2. Important words to memorize for use in our daily lives. Let's go. Today. Phone calls. Phone calls. I already feel embarrassed. I already feel embarrassed. What happened? What happened? I called someone. I called someone. I miss you. I miss you. Who are you? Who are you? That's bad. That's bad. Off my phone. Off my phone. And that's the end of the episode. I hope you enjoyed it.